Hey Maddie, let's check this one out, buddy. I'm gonna get caught up with you here. Let me just do a little capture here. All right, so first things first, obviously we square both sides, right? Now when we square both sides over here, this is gonna get rid of the root, so we're left with 2 root 7x plus 8. And over here, this is gonna cancel the radical, that equals 2x plus 4. So now we're gonna do some order of operations, right? We'll clean up and we'll isolate this radical. So I'll subtract 8 from both sides. I'm going to have 2 root 7x. Oh, hold on now. I made a little mistakey. Can't do that because that covers this whole thing, doesn't it? So instead now I'm going to divide both sides by 2. That's gone. I'm left with root 7x plus 8. And over here this is going to be 2 divided by 2 is x, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. So that equals x plus 2, right? So let's keep going. I'm still catching up with you, so just bear with me here, buddy. I'll see where you got to. Again, now we'll square both things. So over here now, this is just going to eliminate the radical. So that gives us 7x plus 2. Over here, we're going to FOIL it. Remember, that's like x plus 2 times x plus 2. So the first is going to be x squared. 2x plus 2x is going to be plus 4x. And then we got a plus 4 right there. Okay? So there's where you got her. So the big question now, what do we do? Well, let's try a few things. We get different color here. We can get 0 on one side. That's probably a good idea. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's minus 7x. And we'll minus 2 from both sides. So I'm left with the 0 here. This is going to be x squared minus 3x plus 2. So we have a nice little trinomial there. And now we'll try to factor that out. So instead of factoring, what you're trying to do, buddy, is just go right after that other factor. We got to get our terms equal to 0 first before we try that. So now let's see if we can factor this mess. X and x. Now we need a negative 3x, so that would be negative 2, negative 1, right? Negative 1, negative 2. I'll FOIL it to check. That's x squared minus 2x minus 1 gives us minus 3x, and then that gives us a plus 2. So we're good to go there, and you can probably see that we've cracked the code, so to speak. So now x minus 1 equal to 0, and quite separately, x minus 2 equal to 0. X is going to equal 1, and x is going to equal 2. So there you go, buddy. Blast those in and check them, and go from there. So I hope that helps. Let me know if it doesn't.